Welcome to day 39 of my 100-day Nature Devotions for Kids challenge. Today, I'm going to be sharing one fun fact about earthworms. Earthworms don't have eyes, but they can tell when it's light or dark around them, and they tend to like to stay in the dark. 1 John 1:9 says, "If we confess our sins, He is faithful and just to forgive us our sins, and to cleanse us from all unrighteousness." Like how earthworms want to avoid light, when we do things we know aren't right, we may want to hide the fact that we did them. But we need to not try and just push it away. Instead, we need to ask God to forgive us and anyone else we may have hurt. Is there something you need to ask for forgiveness for? God bless.